Om Namah Shivaya children. How are you all? Have you completed the homework? And I hope you have learned the difficult words. So children, as we learnt about parts of our body in previous video, do you think that as human beings, the body parts of animals are also same? No, their bodies are very different from ours. So today in this session we are going to discuss about the following topics: animal body parts, horns, trunk, wings, fins, hooves, paws, claws, tail and their functions. So let us learn about how animals use their body parts to carry out different functions. Animals have different body parts. These body parts have different functions. Some of the common body parts are head, body, legs and tail. And some of the uncommon body parts are horns, wings, trunk and fins. Can you think of any animals with horns? Yes, cows, deers, goats are some of the animals which have horns. Many animals have horns growing from their head. Horns are pointed and grow in two pairs, one on each side of the head. A rhino has a horn on its nose. Animals use their horns as weapons to protect themselves from enemies. They also use their horns in battles or fighting with other animals of their kind. As you all must have seen bullfights, in that they use their horns to fight. Can you guess the animal? Yes, it is an elephant. What is it that make an elephant different from other animals? Yes, it is its trunk. Elephants use their trunk to smell, bring water to their mouths to drink, spray water over their bodies to bath, pick up branches, leaves, fruits and other foods to eat. Can you tell me which body part is used by the birds to fly? Yes, birds use wings to fly. But children, birds' wings are not only the things that help them to fly. They also have hollow bones, which makes their body light in weight. They have feathers which protect them from bad weather, and instead of heavy teeth, they have light beak. Let's understand how fish swim. Instead of arms and legs, fish have fins and tail to swim. Fish live, eat, and breathe in the water. Do fish actually breathe the water? Not really. Fish have a different way of getting air inside their body. They filter the air out of the water with their gills. Fish gills are organs that allow fish to breathe underwater. Have you heard of these words hooves, paws, and claws? Many animals like tigers, dogs, elephants, goats, etc. do not have hands. Instead, they have four legs. They walk and run with their feet. Hoofs are the feet of the animals like cows, goats, etc. It is the hard covering that protects the toes of many animals. Paws are the feet of animals like cats, tigers, dogs, etc. Paws are soft. The paws also includes the nails, which is known as claws. A claw is a curved pointed nails found at the end of a toe. Claws are used to catch and hold their food. Claws are also used for digging, climbing trees, and for self-defense. Different animals have different kind of tails and use them for different work. Monkeys use their tails to hold the branches and jump from one tree to another. Many animals use their tails for defense, like lizard possess tails which they can separate from their bodies for escape. Some animals like zebras, cows, and horses use their tails to chase away the insects. Children, now let us recollect how animals use different parts of their body to carry out different functions. Horns are used for self-defense. Trunk is used to take a bath, drink, eat, and smell. Wings are used to fly. Tail to hold branches and chase away insects. Paws are used to balance their body, walk, and run. Hooves to walk and run. Claws for self-defense, climbing trees, and for digging. Fins to swim. Gills to breathe. Children, based on today's session, you have some activities to do. Read the textbook thoroughly till the topics we have covered today. Underline difficult words, learn them and write them 2 times in EVS copy. Assignment to be done in the EVS textbook are: complete page number 8, complete question number A, and match the picture of the boy and the cow of page number 10. Complete question number B of page number 11. Name the parts of animals. Please do not draw the pictures. Write the answers only in your EVS copy. Thank you. Stay safe at home. Namah Shivaya.